Hello and welcome to Yoga with Yovana. I'm Yovana and today we have a nice evening routine. Just a quick one to help you finish off your day and let you fall sound asleep. If you have any cushion or a blanket, bring it along. It will help us to bring ease and comfort into our practice. And wear something comfy and let's get started. Today practice will begin seated. You can use your cushion if you have it to sit on it. Lift your hips higher. If you're feeling cold, you can cover yourself or you can leave a blanket for later. And let's take one moment to arrive in this practice. Gently roll your shoulders. Allow any tension to leave your body and close your eyes. Notice your breathing pattern here. Is it shallow? Are you holding any tension in your belly? Join me in taking a couple of deep breaths to release any tension from our body. We will inhale slowly and deeply. And exhale through the mouth, everything out. You can sigh, you can blow it out. Let's do two more of these. With each exhalation, imagine everything that you've been keeping and no longer is needed for your restful sleep, leaving your body and leaving you calm. Let's set an intention for this practice. Whatever it is for you, whether to relax your mind, fall asleep faster, to have a restful night of sleep, to let go of any anxiety or thinking, whatever it is, that intention that brought you here. Have it in mind throughout the practice and we will remember it at the end. Gently open your eyes and we will start rolling our shoulders backwards first, just relaxing our muscles. And then change the direction. Let's roll them forward. Awesome. We will tense our shoulders towards our ears, tense and squeeze, and then release it down. Let's repeat this one more time. Inhale, tense everything, and exhale, release it down and back. Awesome. I'm going to move a blanket for a moment. I will inhale to lengthen the spine, and then exhale, bend to the right and look towards the ceiling. Open our heart towards the sky. If you are on your fingertips here, that's perfectly fine. It will look something like this, or slightly bend the elbow. And then we will inhale, come back to center and do the same on the other side. Bend as much as you can, depends where you are, and try and open your chest towards the sky. Awesome. We come back to center and we will do a couple of rotations for our hips and our spine. Start rotating to the right. Think of peeking over your left knee, peeking in front of you, your left knee, and then take it back. So we are taking our weight forward, our shoulder from one knee to the other, stretching our lower back and our hips. Let's change the sides. Right shoulder to left knee, we peek forward, left shoulder to right knee, and we go back. Another one. We do this movement slowly so we can truly feel the stretch. We come back to center. Let's come to all fours. For now, we can put pillow aside. I want you to extend one leg on the side here and then gently squat back with me, and we open our inner thighs. And we will do a cat-cow in this position. Just a couple of rounds. We will inhale to lower the belly, look forward. Exhale to curl the spine, look towards your belly button. So it's the same movement, just with your leg on the side. Let's repeat a couple of more of these in your own breath pace. And once you're done with this exhalation, let's meet in the neutral spine. Left hand is firmly pressed into the mat. We use the right hand to open our heart, open our chest. Look towards your hand, and then we will thread it through between your arm and the knee. Let's repeat this a couple of more times. We bring that arm up. We bring that arm back. I will move my props. Extend the left leg on the side. We bend. We rock back and forth first to stretch that inner thigh a bit. And then we find stillness. Palms are firmly pressed into the ground. We drop the belly. Look forward. Exhale. Curl the back. Look towards your belly button. Inhale, drop the belly, look forward. Exhale, curl the spine. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, cow. We come to neutral spine. Right palm is on the mat. We inhale, kick the pillow, open the heart towards the ceiling, and then we thread it through. Couple of more of these. Opening and stretching, releasing the tension from our hips and our backs. And then we come to the center. Your knees are wide as the yoga mat. You can take a pillow here to support yourself. And we find our way down to the mat. You can place your head, your forehead into the mat. I will stay here so you guys can hear me. Ease your belly into the pillow. And let your head rest. Notice your breathing here. Whether you can bring that breath to your belly and breathe just a little bit deeper and slower. And then gently lift your head from the mat. Lift yourself up, and we find our way to seated. Remove your flesh, find your sit bones here on the mat. You can even use your blanket to sit on it if it's too hard to the floor. Oh, that feels better. Straighten the spine, flex your toes. We can use the cushion to support us. We will inhale here to lengthen the spine and exhale, fall forward. If you need an extra cushion, or you can just fold this one, depends how big it is. You can bring another one. And today we don't have a goal to touch our toes or to stretch a lot. We just want a gentle stretch of our hamstrings and our back. Allow yourself to fall forward wherever your hands reach. And then we inhale and gently roll up. We will find our way to lay down on our backs. You can use the cushion to place it under your head. For now, we let the blanket rest. Hug your knees into the chest. Maybe gently sway side to side to massage your lower back, or even make a small circles one side and then the other. And once you're done with this gentle massage, we take both of our knees to one side gently. You can adjust yourself on the mat if you need to. Extend the right arm out and you can look towards the right arm. Just a gentle twist. A final release of our back. We bring the legs back to center. Hug them one more time. And then we take them to the right, slowly. Extend the left arm and look towards the left. With the next inhale, bring your knees back to the center and extend your legs out. You can use your blanket to cover yourself up if you have it, or maybe a towel. Snuggle yourself in. Your feet are falling out, your hands are facing up. Once you found that comfortable position of your body, maybe you didn't hear any of this because I covered my mic. Once you found the comfortable position of your body on the mat, let's allow ourselves to take in this practice. Sink into the floor. Feel supported and grounded. If your mind is still wandering, thinking, be kind to yourself, observe your thoughts. Don't engage, just acknowledge them and return back to peace. Switch focus on your breath in this present moment. You can stay here as long as you like. And if you would like to end here, you can join me in placing your palms and putting your thumb on the third eye in prayer position in Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today for this beautiful bedtime routine practice. And I hope to see you again on the mat. Namaste.